Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to use Gumroad. So, let's dive right in. Gumroad is an online platform specifically designed for selling digital downloads. It's perfect for things like ebooks, music, software, templates, video courses, and more. It's known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface, so even complete beginners can set up their online store in no time. Head over to Gumroad's website at gumroad.com. The link is provided in the description. Click the Sign Up button. You'll just need your email address, name, and a password to create your account. Once you're in, take a moment to personalize your profile. Add a profile picture, write a short bio about yourself and what you create, and maybe even a tagline to grab attention. Now, let's talk about how you can sell digital products on Gumroad. Click on the product option from the left sidebar. Then, click New Product. Clicking that will open a new product creation page. Choose a clear and concise title that accurately reflects your product. Keep it short and to the point, but also informative enough to entice potential buyers. In the product section, choose Digital Product. In the price field, enter the price of your product. Then, click on the Next button at the top. Now, here you will need to fill out some details about your product. Description. This is your chance to shine. Craft a compelling description that highlights the benefits and value your product offers. Be sure to address common pain points your target audience might have and explain how your product solves them. Upload cover photo and thumbnail of your product to showcase the audience what you are offering. Use strong calls to action to encourage viewers to buy. Price. Gumroad allows you to choose various pricing options, including one-time purchases or subscriptions. Consider offering tiered pricing structures or discount bundles to incentivize purchases. Now, it's time to upload your actual digital product. Click on the Content option. Here, you will find different options to upload your digital product. Gumroad supports a wide range of file formats, giving you the flexibility to sell a variety of digital goods. Once you've filled out all the details and uploaded your content, you're ready to publish your product. So finally, click on the Publish and Continue button in the top right corner. Gumroad will generate a unique product URL that you can share with potential buyers. There you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.